Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex, and today I'll be flying the E-flite T-28 Trojan 1.1 meter, and I just wanted to show you this thing I made to make sure it doesn't roll around in my trunk. So it's basically a pool noodle connector that I cut in half. Then I've made a hole for the wheel to fit in. And I've added some Velcro that will keep it from sliding on the trunk carpet. So it's very cheap, very easy to do, and very useful, because without it, as you can see, my plane can roll around. I just wanted to share this with you. Maybe it helps. So anyway, let's go fly this. Okay guys, so let's go. Throttle cut off. I have to take my bigger planes out more. I got this today especially because it was supposed to be windy, but weather has been strange. Very cloudy, and it was windy until about half an hour ago. Let's do another loop. This thing's so much fun to throw around, especially on 4S. I wanted to do some touch and go landing practice, but looks like I have a lot of traffic on the road today. Of course, landings are always the hardest part. Okay. Looks like the road is clear. Let me try one now. And I feel it's starting to rain just a bit, and another car coming. Yeah, this plane has a great flight range. It can go slow, it can go really fast on 4S. It's really exciting. If you want it to be exciting, if not, you can just fly it around like a trainer. And if these cars would go away, I'll try another touch and go. still have 2 minutes on the timer, and I know this battery can take a lot longer. Probably get 6, 7, 8 minutes, no problem with this. Let's try another touch and go. A bit high and fast. And go around. It's really starting to rain now, so if I get a good landing, probably gonna take it, call it a day. Still coming in too fast. I have to turn lower. It's those power lines that get in my way. That was bouncy, and car coming again, both directions. Still a minute on the timer, so not worried about battery. Let me try and come from this side. I want to make sure all cars are gone. Still more cars coming. I think it's there's some factories here, and I think it's when lots of people start a second shift. I do also today, so should be heading home soon. Case scenario, I'll put it down in this field in front of me. Till then I'll just loiter. They have to give me a break, I hope. Starting to rain a bit more. Come on, guy. And then the timer's running out. Let's see. Cars that way. Okay, 5-minute timer's up. Still wasn't happy with that. Maybe flaps would help with this. This doesn't have those. Maybe I could configure flap-ons. Okay. Far away now. Bouncy, but oh well. I'll take that. Stayed on the road, so that's good for me. Happy with that. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the flight today. Don't forget to leave some great comments. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.